So you want to get started investing in real estate, but you don't have the capital to get started. Well, the good news is nowadays you don't need a lot of capital to start investing in real estate. I'm going to share with you guys how you can start investing, get access to private equity deals, and invest in real estate with small accounts as little as $500. So I'm going to be talking about Fundrise app, and I'm going to go over the platform and the pros and cons. So let's jump into it. So here is the platform. It shows that there are 221 active projects, there is 62 completed projects, and these properties vary from new apartment developments to commercial renovations. There's also single family rental homes, all kinds of different real estate deals going on, both debt and equity. For debt, that means you do not own the property, that you're just lending out money, but you are still receiving passive income from both sources. And depending on which option you choose, it will invest automatically into different types of real estate projects. So what I really like about this is that it allows you to choose an investment plan based on your goals. If you want supplemental income, you can choose supplemental income, which focuses on completely dividends. Let's go into it, and you could see that this creates an attractive, consistent income by investing in primarily cash flow real estate deals. So it aims to just give you quarterly dividends, and that way you could plan better off how your cash flows are going to be. For younger people, it's probably a better option to choose either a balanced investment or a long-term growth investment that will give you a balanced portfolio of dividends and appreciation, or focus more on appreciation. Now, the pros of this is that 90% of millionaires are invested in real estate. So this is a way for you to get invested into real estate without having the large capital. This is a great platform that allows you to invest passively. It gives you a lot of good resources, and it's really easy to use. So some other pros about Fundrise is that it's less volatile than stocks. Okay, you can invest into Fundrise and just receive your quarterly dividends and see your appreciation over time. You don't have to worry about the stock price going up and down every single day and then worrying about whether you should buy or sell. Okay, it's a great way to diversify your investments, and that way you don't put all your investments in one basket and then something happens to it, you lose all your money. So it's a great way for you to be investing, and you don't have to be an accredited investor. Another pro about this is you get the qualified business income deduction. Okay, this is on the tax return. When you're filing, you will get a 1099 div statement from Fundrise, and it will show section 199A income, and that income is qualified business income deduction, so you could get up to 20% of it adjusted, and you're only going to be paying tax on 80% of it. It's a huge tip if you're also thinking about how to reduce your taxes. This is one way. Now, there are some trade-offs to investing with Fundrise, including that it's a liquid asset. The whole purpose of investing with Fundrise is to have your capital invested for at least 5 years, like any other real estate project that's actually you're going to be actively investing in. So after a 90-day period, there is a redemption discount. If you want to take your money out, you're going to be paying a penalty, and you have no control over this projects. Okay, these real estate projects are going on, and you really don't know exactly what is going on day-to-day basis, but this could be a positive for people who just want to invest passively, because it is also illiquid. There are other options to investing in real estate. I'll be posting a couple of them down below, and also there's a video I made right here that are other investment vehicles for you guys to invest and have passive income coming in, including real estate and high dividend stocks. So make sure you drop a comment down below if you guys would consider investing in Fundrise, if you think this is a good vehicle to invest in, and if you have any other tips, feel free to share them down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great weekend.